Zaga Zaga. Zaga down, 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 down.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Today we're still in Jamaica and we are at a river. Just get out the car. We're at bush. So come along with us to river today. Okay. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section and share. Wanna come out take care now?
Where you do? You left your earphone?
Bring them, come baby.
No, don't left it.
Bring them. Teacher, give me a vibe.
Take out everything now. Everything in my box. Finish about
No,
it.
drop out.
Everything.
Oh. Just stand, go. Making no crash Ramadan. Boy, Jamaica River.
Turn left, turn left, turn left. Turn left, turn left. Up, sir. Must have another place.
You sure?
So, which part?
But you're saying it, when she tells us this like a smelly yard, you know.
Zaga Zaga. Zaga down, 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 down.
Take time, mommy. Take time. TJ, tell your grandma come now. Yeah, we're going to take off your stuff now.
Huh?
We're going to take off your stuff now so you can go in the water.
The girls, them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. Hello, mix this beer. Limit stop at 60. Now.
Bust down chain, let's go. Let's go, 30 up in the club, pop this like it was double mix. Looking for a team, we only settle when the settlements. Yeah, let 'em slide, that's the present cry. Yeah, now I'm on the ride. I'm finna take it high. Yeah, okay, let 'em slide. That's the present cry. Yeah, tell 'em come outside. How you mean, tryna ride? I'm out, I'm brave. You know when I'm back. It's all trade. You know that I'm ready. The air, you know what I play. It's all games. Easy up and something on me, I know. Easy body hit him with the I know. Easy body give him something, I know. Easy body hit him with the I know. This way that we going. This way. Took him to the telly and I told him it's a Disney. Baby, he gon' have to check out at like 6A. Really, it's easy, but your Uber on a Wednesday. Back up out the grave site. Come back like gay Christ. I'm finna get the gays hype. I'm finna take it gay high. Back up out the grave site. Come back like gay Christ. I'm finna take it. I'm finna take it gay high. You know when I'm back. It's all okay. You know that I'm ready. You know how I play. It's all okay.
Guys, I am river ready. Let's go share the rest of the guys. Mommy, watch the Vanya, please. Please, them stealing. My feet not made for these stones. Man, I want some fancy man here. Soon come, soon come. Careful, Tilly. Careful, Tristan. Let's say water cold. You water cold? Pick coconuts. But they look young. They look young. So, no drink coffee water already?
No, sir.
Oh.
Mr. Finale, Mama said, Daddy said, you go get more, Mr. Finale.
Bamboo chunga done try.
Heavy, you know.
Ah, dude, that bamboo chunga done him. So some on the ground now, babes.
Yeah, you know. I ain't put it up.
Man, the head.
No, them young.
They look young. Babes, they look young. They want to look young.
Yellow.
I mean, technically, you want them young. They're too green. They're
Oh, you're right.
coconuts. So you remember you guys were asking the other day about the difference between Tristan and Tavana? The difference between the palm
They're
tree and the
taller.
coconut tree? You see them?
They're bigger. They're taller and they're way bigger.
Come on, my hot man, shirt black, you know.
Shirt black. He's saying shirt black, you know.
Oh, down the bus open.
Babes, man, the head. Man, the head. Jeez. Jesus Christ.
You want to try it? Come now.
Yeah. Cause baby, it's coconut water.
That make I use it.
Come on, dear man.
I try it with a full lime.
Nothing wrong with that. Come try it, coconut. Come.
That make I.
Yeah, man, use
Yeah,
it.
use it how to do. Let me know what it's about.
I'm excited to drink it and eat it.
You have never had coconut before?
Not straight from the coconut like that.
The tree. Not straight from the coconut.
Never.
Oh, you're missing out, man.
I am.
Oh. Make it a tall. I can't get you that same free man if you pull up my head.
It's just short.
Shrink, man. Go. Sure. I want to grab a lot of coconut. Come on. We'll go and cut them up.
What do you mean? You want it?
Let me drink some water, sir, babe.
I wanted the skin.
Can I get more?
I wanted the skin.
They all like that stain also, you stain, though. Are you excited about coconuts?
Yeah, help you.
No?
Yo, so for me.
Say more.
Try, be careful now, because that nearly lick you in the head, you know. Ian, come
You have to look up when you pick.
Come here, sir.
You have to look up.
Straight near your head that you go a while ago.
Auntie, so why we wearing the same kind of shirt? You don't see on my shirt long. I thought I could have breathed in this fabric. Feel.
Stick like jersey.
No, it's polyester. I thought it was breathable. So very hot.
Because you know lotion.
Lara, you're tonight, son. Them man stay. Now I'm going to agree with you. Panic
Oh no, but I'm allergic.
You're allergic? What?
That's why I swell.
What?
She born here, but she's not Jamaican.
They love your blood. There's something in your blood.
I have vegan blood.
Alright.
No, it's real something.
I have vegan blood. Can't no meat in my body. They're not used to it.
That better, no?
You think so?
They're not used to it.
That actually sounds a little
Thank
correct.
you.
I don't know. You might be making stuff up, but that sounds right. Yeah. Daddy, give man already. Are they sticking some food? No. I'm just a secure. You want one of them too?
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.